In this video, I will show you the demo of sorting. So I just created a console application in C Sharp. It's a simple C Sharp project, console application project. And before sorting jagged arrays, I thought I will just show you very trivial example of sorting an int array. Obviously, I'm not going to use bubble sort or any of the sorting algorithms. Just I will sort it using the inbuilt function provided by arrays class. So let's see that now. So I just created a int num array, and I call sort method on that. In order to print the array, I converted it to list and then used lambda expression and called for each, and then just printed each element of the array. So when I ran the project now, it prints and it sorts and prints as expected, which is what I wanted. Now I will create a jagged array. So this is one way to create a jagged array. This is, like I told you, one-dimensional array, and it's of size 4. And you can do it this way, but there is another easier way wherein you can create the jagged arrays. Instead of easier, I would rather say it's just another way to do that. So here I created a jagged array of size 3. And remember that jagged array, each element can be its of own size, right? So in this case, I created all of them with size 3, but remember in real time it can be different. So I created a jagged array CustomComparer class. You can name it anything just to sort the jagged array, right? And I pressed Control R and created this file, made it public, and made it implement IComparer interface. And since we are going to compare jagged array, right? Each element is going to be a one-dimensional array. So I take it of generic type int array and then implement the interface, which gives me this compare method. Right, and then I create two variables. I need not actually, but I just created ARR1 and ARR2. This is very important step because, like I said, jagged array, each element can be of different sizes. So if I don't check this, then basically it can, if I try to compare the elements, if both arrays that I'm comparing are of not of same length, then it will throw index out of bound exception. So I should only compare when both the elements are of same sizes. So that's what I'm doing here. And if result is 0, then I actually compare, and basically I'm comparing by the first column. That's why I'm using 0 for both arrays. So compare method, like if it is less than 0, it can be 0 or greater than 0. So it's an inbuilt provided by C# .NET framework. So nothing special there. So when I run this, basically what I'm expecting is first the element with 5 gets printed 5119, and then 220788, and then 991111, right? So I write this function to print it to the console. Print sort jagged array, it prints to the console. So this will print each element, which is an array. So in here, you can just look at these three. So it prints and sorts by the first element of each array. So first you see 5119, then 22788, and then 991111. So this is what was expected, and that is how you sort a jagged array. Hope you guys like this. In next video, I will show you how you can customize it even further.